Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video from the M340i vlog series. So it's been 5 years since I got the car and 5 years and 20,000 kilometers. So this is a good time to summarize the ownership experience. And in this video we're going to talk about the FAQs which I keep getting about the ownership of my M340i. And the questions which I keep getting asked are related to the service cost, they are related to tire pressure, the fuel, they are also related to what modifications I have done, and also definitely related to the reliability. So in this video we are going to discuss all of these things. So stay tuned for this one. Let's begin discussing the service cost. For that I am having the recent service bill with me. The work done as per the iDrive, and the work done was an engine oil service where the engine oil was changed, oil filter was changed, air filter was just cleaned, AC filter was cleaned because just last service those things were changed, and with that also there was a brake fluid to be changed, and the final amount including GST was only INR 19,227 rupees. So which is pretty much affordable, to be honest, and done at an official BMW service center. So the catch here is that my car has completed 5 years, so it is now qualifying for the BMW's Joy Rewards. And this is the summary of the service, and if you see the average service cost per year, I personally think it is pretty much understandable and economical. I have experimented a lot with tire pressures, but recently I have found the sweet spot in maintaining 36 psi at the front and 37 or 38 psi for the rears. A lot of people keep like, for example, 36 psi square or maybe 34. In the range of 34 to 38 is acceptable. Again, when it comes to run flats, I am running a tubeless setup, but when it comes to run flat, I would personally advise 1 or 2 psi more than what I am running on a tubeless setup to safeguard your sidewalls as well as to avoid a sidewall bump. Coming to reliability, so M340i with the B58 platform is a very reliable product. Only one issue which I have faced in the car, and this is the starter motor issue. So yes, starter motor of this car tends to fail, and a lot of dealerships are not able to diagnose it. They initially blame the battery, but the battery would be okay. It's the starter motor which is at fault. In fact, BMW themselves have an updated starter motor part number, and that new starter motor was installed in my M340i. So the kind of modifications I have done to the car are very minimal. I was not happy with the OEM steering wheel, so I went ahead with this M Performance upgrade for the M3 M4, the G8X platform steering wheel, which was attempted for the first time in India. And yes, it's a direct fit. I love the steering, and yeah, so it's having the Alcantara and this blue ring here and the M colors, so it does really complement the interior with the M colors on the seat belt, Alcantara on the seats, and the steering wheel. So it does really a good job. So this is one of the mods which I've done. The second mod, this is an aesthetic mod. The second mod is like a semi-performance mod. It's an axle back M Performance exhaust system, so it doesn't really add any performance, but it does make the car sound extremely sporty. So let me just put into Sport Plus. So yeah, the M Performance exhaust is definitely my favorite mod. Another mod which I did at inception during delivery was installing a tubeless tire setup. So this is highly recommended for any new M340i owner, and this really transforms the ride quality. And if you are installing a Michelin PS4S setup or a PS5, it would definitely enhance the handling dynamics of the car as well. And also very good looking tire, the Pilot Sport 5. So the next question I keep getting asked is about the fuel. My M340i is stock and it runs normally on regular fuel also. It has no issues on regular fuel. It has no issues if you put XP 100 octane, 100 RON. It has no issues if you put 97. It has no issues whatsoever with any kind of fuel. This can run on regular fuel, it can run on Shell V-Power, it can run on Shell. So just don't get swayed into people saying stick to certain level of fuel. But again, because a lot of people do mod their cars minus stock, so if you are heavy on mods, you might require a type of fuel for the car to perform in the way you expect it to perform. Again, so this is again linked to the reliability factor. So these are the FAQs which I keep getting asked, and this is it from this video of the M340i vlogs. And I will see you guys very soon with a new video of my M340i on a different day.